Hello friends, welcome back to ODM English. Today we are learning the simple present tense. This tense is very useful for talking about habits, routines, facts and general truths. By the end of this video, you will understand how to form sentences correctly. First, what is simple present tense? A tense is equals to time of action. A tense shows when an action happens, past, present, or future. The simple present tense is used for actions that happen regularly, repeatedly, or as a fact. It is the one of the most important tenses for daily English conversation. Actually, where we can use simple present tenses. Mainly, we used in 5 situations. First, daily habits or routines, things we do regularly. Next, general truths or facts, universal truths or scientific facts. Permanent situations, things that don't change easily. Feelings, like and dislikes, express emotions or preferences. Fixed schedule or timetables, scheduled events. Whenever you want to talk about something that is regular, permanent, or factual, use the simple present tense. Then, types of simple present tense. In simple present tense, there are 4 types of sentences are there: positive, negative, positive interrogative, negative interrogative. Yes. Now we learn about the structure. Friends, for I, we, you and they, you simply use a subject plus the base form of the verb. That means you don't add anything extra to the verb. For example, if the verb is play, you just say I play, we play, you play, they play. That's it. And for he, she, it and names, the sentence should be subject plus verb plus yes or es or ies. For example, if the verb is come, it will come he comes, she comes, it comes. And one more example, the verbs ending with a constant plus y, like study, we change y to ies. She studies, he carries. Try to say aloud. This is how form correct sentences in simple present tense for third person. Yes, now we will see positive sentence. For an example, he comes. Here he is a subject, verb plus yes. This is a positive sentence. Now negative sentence. Negative sentence always comes with auxiliary verbs do or does. For I, we, you, they, do will come. For he, she, it, does will come. Here verb is without s, that's why we are using do. Here verb is with s, so we can use does. Now we will split this comes like this: does plus come. Okay. Now for the negative sentence, he, for he we can use does. Does is a negative sentence, so doesn't come. Here the verb should not contain s because already does carries the s. So the negative sentence should come like this only: he doesn't come. Now we will see positive interrogative and negative interrogative sentences. Sentences always starts with auxiliary verb do or does, right? So for he comes sentence, we now change into positive interrogative sentence. We already know comes is split into does plus come, right? So we will start with auxiliary verb does. So does he come? Does he come? That's it. This is the positive interrogative. Starts with auxiliary verb, then subject plus verb. Here the verb does not contain s because already does carries the s. In sentence, any one place only s will come. So if you use does, you cannot use verb plus s. That's it. Okay. Does he come? Now we will change into negative interrogative sentence. Same, starts with auxiliary verb. So does, so negative. So you add not. So doesn't. Same, he come. That's it. Doesn't he come? It's a negative interrogative sentence. It's very simple. We will see with one more example. Yes, now we will see one more example for positive sentence. They play cricket. They play cricket, right? So they play cricket. They is the subject, play is the verb, cricket is the object. Okay. They play cricket. This is a positive sentence, right? Now we will split this play into do plus play. Do plus play. Okay. Now for negative sentence we will make start with they. For negative sentence we will use not. Before that the auxiliary verb for they play cricket is for play, the auxiliary verb is do. So they do, negative sentence, so not. So they don't play cricket. They don't play cricket. This is a negative sentence, right? Just you add auxiliary verb do and negative, so not. They don't play cricket, right? Now for positive interrogative sentence, usually we will start with this interrogative sentence auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb is what? Do. So do, then they, subject, then verb play, then object cricket. Do they play cricket? Do they play cricket? Positive interrogative sentence. Now we will see negative interrogative. Same, starts with auxiliary verb, but this is a negative, so not. Do not or don't. Same, they play cricket. Don't they play cricket? Don't they play cricket? That's it. This is very simple. Here I am given all sentences neatly. Please take photos for your references. And one more example sentence I will give for you. That is, she drinks tea as a positive sentence. You please comment below for other sentences. Thank you.